Hey guys, new vlog. This is day 7 of my grandma's memorial. New Saturday. Nice outfit, sweater. Yeah, I'm excited.
Nice to see Daniela. Hi, Daniela. Glad to have her with us. And the mayor's sitting. And due to the way my brain works of grief, denial, anger, one of the most common known, eventually they will apply that there.
And we feel the responsibility to be strong, even that we sometimes are, but to walk together to face.
Tonight, the birthdays and the heaven dates of our children. We have lots of good people, all of you are. And to see Sherry and Ray Hall come in.
If you just can't see your way, I know my world. This candle is saying
Finished the day. It was emotional and stuff and back to work.